Ladies and gentlemen, New York City. Reporters here. We started the coverage yesterday when the snow actually stormed the city. Reporters are covering the snowstorm. Actually, it's a 16-inch snow drop. It now has brought the city to a standstill. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're listening, a huge storm. New York has been brought to a standstill by the snowstorm. Here in the city, you can see the automobiles are hugely covered. You can't really see much. The city is fighting back. It's a battle. It's a battle, ladies and gentlemen. The city is fighting back to take back its city from the snow. Snowstorm. The city blurs. It's moving from one part of the city to the other, but hugely deficient because they don't have much resources. But the one they have is actually what they're managing to see what they can do. And some of these areas and some of the properties have been cleared. But as you can see, this is a white snow. Well, usually it's white, but you know, it's snow white Saturday, if I may put it that way. Ladies and gentlemen, so we'll be following this. All right, we'll be following this. And try to be keeping you posted and reporting this from New York City. To our listeners out there, that's what happens here at this time of the year. Hey guys, how we doing? All right. Snow. Keep it going, guys. All right. Snowstorm, they're clearing it. It's a lot of work. Well, that's what we live with here in the city, ladies and gentlemen. And it's gonna be fun to watch. The buses are running. The subsystem, the subway is running as well. But I'm sure the aviation has been put hold for the moment. I'm sure for the day, maybe later sometime in the afternoon or sometime in the noon, I could resume operation. Flight. Okay. The aviation industry cancelled for the day. Hopefully they might resume by noon. But in the meantime, this is a total consumption by the snow here in the city. This is reporters reporting from New York City, following the snowstorm that happened yesterday in morning hours to this morning. It's about 16-inch snow, and it's huge. All right. So 16-inch. This is awesome. I'm gonna try to get by the road to see what happens. Morning. Snowstorm. Good. Morning, sir. How are you? Job clearing the city. The roads have been cleared. Well, the sidewalks is a huge amount that's going on. Gentlemen, reporters following the snow storm in the city, New York City, bringing you live here in our station. Basically, now pull on this on the road, and it's a beautiful sight, cleansing the city, but at the same time a huge challenge to clear slip, flashy, slip and fall, and to get them cleared is a huge task for the city. But you get them by yesterday. Some of them mentioned the city, New Yorkers actually stated that it was fun. It's nothing, they see this all the time. Alright guys, I will bring more of this news to you later in the day. We'll follow this. We'll bring more of this to you guys later in the day. Okay, Mr. Jeremy reporting live here in New York City. Reporters following the snowstorm in New York City. We shall be bringing you update how far the city is handling it, and the cost as well. Maybe running in millions of dollars to get this done. All right.